Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Chemical Engineer. I am Sahil Yadav and in this video I will be discussing about our new subject chemical technology. So in this video I will be discussing about its introduction, that is why do we study this subject and how we will be going to study, and its syllabus. So if you haven't subscribed to our channel till now, subscribe us on YouTube as well as join us on Telegram, Chemical Engineer. So what do we study in this subject? So we will be studying about the various unit operation and unit processes occurring in the industry for production of product from raw materials. So we will be studying about various unit operation and unit processes. So you should have clear understanding what are unit operation and unit processes in chemical industries. So for that I have already uploaded one video on unit operation, and in the next video you will see about various unit processes in chemical industries. Now why do we study this subject? So the basic explanation to this question is to understand how a specific plant works and what are different parameters and what changes can we do in our plant so that the quality of the product can be enhanced. So this is what the only motive to study this subject. So what we will be studying in this subject? So this subject is divided into 5 parts. So first part is the inorganic chemical industries. In inorganic chemical industries we will study about sulfur and sulfuric acid industries, then fuels and industrial gases, then cryogenic in chemical technology industries, fertilizer industry which includes nitrogen, phosphorus industries, then we will study electrochemical industries, chloralkali industries, then industry from the sea, then cement and lime, then nuclear material and explosive and propellant. So for GATE, who are preparing for GATE, this topic is most important for them, that is sulfur and sulfuric acid industries, as well as fertilizer industry. These 3 topics are also important for them. Moreover, in chloralkali industries some topics are there which are important for GATE. So you have to must watch about inorganic chemical industries. And part 2 is natural product industries. So this topic is of course having a good knowledge, but for GATE preparation only this soap and detergent industries are important, as well as paint and varnish industry is also important. Similarly pulp and paper industry is important, while in GATE there is no topic for food industry. Okay, so for GATE, soap and detergent, paint and varnishes, and pulp and paper industry, these 3 industries are of most important. While this coal and coal chemicals, this type of industries we will be covering in our the subject of PRPC, that is petroleum refining and petrochemical. So we will not study it here. We will study about pulp and paper, soap and detergent, and paint and varnishes industries. Part 3 is the polymerization industry. So this topic is the most important topic. Every year GATE asks question on polymerization industries. So this topic we will study after part 1 and part 2. Part 4 is the metallurgical industries and part 5 is the petrochemical industries. In petrochemical industries we will study about the petrochemicals from compound of C1, C2, C3 and C4. Similarly we will study some dye industries as well as pesticide and pharmaceutical industries. We will not be studying or covering the biotechnology part in this subject. Okay, so this is what our plan is to get completed about chemical technology or chemical process technology in chemical engineering. So why we should study all this? Okay, so the basic example that is given in Dryden as well as what we all know is India is a developing country. So in developing country population is increasing. So as the population is increasing, demand also increases. So demand for certain things like food. So in order to make a food we require fertilizer. So a demand of fertilizer industry always increases, and new diseases like coronavirus, all this spread every day. So pharmaceutical industries are important. Then gas, we need a future to be a green. So green future means we require gaseous fuels, so gas industries. Then food and marketing industries, soap industries, etc., beauty product industries, etc., all are going to increase. So in order to study about the unit processes and unit operation of all these industries, as well as determining the raw product, then kinetics, then thermodynamics, then fluid mechanics, all things are being studied in this chapter or in this subject. So chemical technology is important subject, so every chemical engineer should have basic as well as clear knowledge about chemical technology. Okay, so this subject I will be covering in the 12 to 20 videos. Okay, so first video, that is of unit operation and unit processes, is ready. I will be uploading it tomorrow. Then we will study inorganic chemical industry, in which we will be determined to sulfur and sulfuric acid industry. So one video of sulfur and sulfuric acid. Then we will go on to fertilizer, in which we will study in the 3 video, that is ammonia industries. Then 2 video on phosphoric industries or phosphorus industries. Then we will study about the chloralkali. In chloralkali we will be discussing about mainly 3: soda ash, caustic soda, chlorine, as well as we will cover salt and salt industries with chlorine industries. Okay, then we will study cement and lime industries in the next video and the subsequent video, in which we will mainly focusing on the cement industry and the basic of lime industry. Then we will move on to the polymer industries. Then 7th is the petrochemical industries. Okay, so petrochemical industries are the 7th. So this is how I will be covering the video in the 22 or maybe maximum 25 videos. So I hope you will enjoy the schemes. So okay, yes, one thing I want to say is you should have completely joined to us on Telegram, because from now onwards we will be passing question and solving doubt on Telegram only. And if you have doubt related to video, you can just comment down in our video link, as well as join us on Telegram, and you can directly send us message about your doubts or if you have any query. So Telegram and Instagram are our social media platforms that we are supporting. So join us on Telegram or as well as on Instagram. Okay, so thank you for watching the video. I hope you will enjoy. And yes, one thing, I am here to guide you as well as to give you some knowledge. But once you have to go through the book Dryden for this subject. Okay, so Dryden is the book that we are going to follow. So I hope you will follow us. So thank you for watching the video. Thank you.